My name is John Bolin. I'm an industry solutions leader at ServiceNow. I work in our customer success organization, which focuses on transformation for our customers. Juniper and ServiceNow, we have some similar customers. And so one of our customers came to us. They used the infrastructure for Juniper and the missed APs, and they wanted to integrate with ServiceNow. But the goal was to reduce time to provision equipment, deploy, and then also to support. With the Juniper native AI networks, we're able to take that data, ingest it into ServiceNow. That helps manage the assets that the company has. It helps provision those assets. It helps maintain those assets. And it actually creates a much better user experience because you've taken away all the physical contact and you're also able to self-heal. Juniper does a great job of telling you about network degradation, but it's not the system of action. That's where ServiceNow comes in. We can open a ticket, have change control, patch a network switch. And so we can really get what the customer wants, which is uptime without any human intervention, so 100% automated. I think Juniper and ServiceNow will continue to evolve as AI grows and there becomes a unique fabric in terms of how the data centers are configured and clustered. We'll see more of these integrations, but we'll also see what's going on with AI and the response times and it takes for queries and for our agents and our chatbots to come back to give us answers.